So in this video, you're going to see a montage of past work, which I'm going to air on social channels very soon. Some has already been edited, plus news of a rebrand, new launch, new location, new services. Keep watching. In 2008, KDSKeltec was established solely on my own with this pipe dream to be a detailer, vehicle refinisher. But of course, with all my background knowledge of restoration, mechanical engineering, race car building and paintwork, it meant that very quickly KDSKeltec was doing far more than just detailing. Lots of restoration, lots of bespoke work. This is a small montage of just some of the key cars I can think of. And it just grew and grew. It was doing paint protection film, doing bespoke paint protection film, the best finishes in the country. And it just grew and grew and grew till we was painting some incredible exotic cars, supercars, hypercars, which come with a lot of stress that people would not understand, such as this Ferrari Enzo in 2012, when I could strip the car down, done a full restoration of the paintwork, bespoke colours of wheels, and a wet sand. There's so much more than just detailing here. The complexity, the logistics of dealing with such cars on screen, you can imagine, all in the building at once, all having different services. And finally I walked away from the unit and KDSKeltec in January 24, and decided to rebrand myself and start all over again, offering the same services as what I did when I started in 2008, and open up the detailing centre. This means I'm back on my tools fully, enjoying what I do best, and it's a more streamlined, smaller business, more VIP, that really appreciate what the levels I can go to. So that's already over the last year. I've had some incredible projects, as you can see on screen. Paint protection film to many cars. After we do the paint protection film, then we do the G-Technic coatings. So we're doing G-Technic coatings on film and on paint and on the calipers and on the wheels and on the interior. So G-Technic is still my main go-to. And here you can see just some of a small selection of cars that I've been fortunate to have through the new facility recently. We're now based in Maidstone. Here is the training centre, which is upstairs, and I've had lots of people through for training already. Lots of one-to-one, downstairs on their own cars, showing sanding, where I've travelled and I hold bespoke group days. And finally, I've had some YouTubers in, and here is some fun. So thank you for watching. Question keeps getting asked, am I back? Oh yes, I'm back. As you can see, new launch, new brand, new exciting things to come. Stay tuned, keep your eyes peeled. TDC is on the map.